friends, I am Linjaflu from YouTube channel Linjaflu. Today I am going to show you how to change your YouTube channel thumbnail directly by Android smartphone, friends. So let's begin today's vlog without any interruption. Today I am going to log into my YouTube channel using the UC browser. Okay friends, you can also log into your YouTube channel via Chrome also, friends. Okay, today I am going to use this UC browser to log in. You have to click on the UC browser, then you can find something like this. Okay friends, you can see the YouTube logo. Click on the YouTube logo, then it will directly click on the YouTube logo. Okay friends, wait for some time, then it directly take to your page. I have already logged into my YouTube channel, so it will directly take me to YouTube channel. So you can see that this is my YouTube channel. Okay friends, what you have to do is to zoom in to the left right corner. There you can see a 3 line or 3 dots something. Click on it. Okay friends, click on it. The first option to is my channel. Okay friends, click on the my channel. Okay, I have clicked on my channel. Yeah, this is my YouTube channel. Then you have to do is to you can see that a video manager option. Okay friends, I will just zoom in for you. Click on it, video manager. Okay, I have clicked on the video manager. The videos are loading up. So today I will change my thumbnail. Okay friends, change our thumbnail. So which video thumbnail I am going to change is this one. Okay friends, this is a Redmi Note 5 leak video I have posted on 6th December 2017. So I'm going to change this thumbnail. You can see that a small option in that edit. Click on it, edit. Okay, then zoom in a little bit. Okay, then zoom in a little bit. There you can see a option like custom thumbnail. Okay friends, custom thumbnail. Click on it, custom thumbnail. There are too many options like file manager, camera, directly from camera, and gallery. So if you want, I am choosing the gallery option. Okay friends, so today I will go to the gallery option. Then which thumbnail I need, I will change this to this thumbnail. Okay friends, it will take some time to do it. Okay friends, wait for some time on this page. Don't leave this page, don't leave this page. Okay friends, it will take some time. Okay friends, then you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, now our thumbnail has been changed. So friends, you can see that a option save change. Click on it friends, save change. Click on it. Okay friends, now you can see that all changes have been saved, written on like that. Then what you have to do, go to your home screen, then click on the YouTube logo. Okay, it will take you to YouTube. Okay, you can see that. Then what you have to do is to click on this icon. Okay friends, this icon. Then you have to do is to one time sign out and sign in. Okay friends, then you re-sign in your YouTube account. Then you have to click on my channel. You can see that my channel. Click on my channel and it will take some time. Yeah, you are in my channel friends. Then what you have to do is to find the video that I want to change the. Okay, yeah, now you can see that my YouTube thumbnail has been changed. In this way you can change your YouTube thumbnail. Okay friends, in this way you can change your YouTube thumbnail friends. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my YouTube channel please friends, it will help me a lot. Okay friends, if you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a like button. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Bye bye.